If you want to combine two photos into one side-by-side image on your iPhone, then you came to the right place. Whether you're creating collages, comparing images, or sharing memories more creatively, this quick tutorial will show you how to do it in just a couple of steps. And you don't need to download any third-party applications for this. The thing that you want to do is to open the Shortcuts application on your iPhone. This app comes pre-installed with every iPhone, so just open the Shortcuts app, and it's going to look something like this. What we want to do is to click on this little gallery section at the bottom right of your screen, and then you're going to see this search bar, which we can use to search for different shortcuts. I'm going to type grid in here because that's the shortcut which we will use to combine photos and put them side by side. You'll want to click on this green photo grid shortcut, and then it will be added to our photo library. Once you do this, you'll want to go back to the shortcuts section. Click on this new photo grid option, which will then open our iPhone's photo gallery or camera roll. What you want to do now is to select the two photos which you want to put side by side, and I'm going to select two random photos from my photo gallery, just as an example for this video. After I click on Add at the top right corner, the shortcut will put those two images side by side, and they will be horizontally as a default. I'm going to show you how you can put them in a vertical position in just 1 second. So here are my two photos side by side. I can tap on the Share option at the bottom left corner of my screen, which will then open the sharing menu. If you want to download or save this photo into your photo gallery, just find the Save Image button and then click on it. But what if you need these two photos put vertically? Well, all you have to do is to tap on the three dots right here, and you're going to see a bunch of text and code here. But it's a pretty simple process. Just find the part of the text that says, Combine row horizontally. Click on the horizontal text and then you'll be able to change it to vertical. And after you do this, you can combine the two photos vertically. That's about it, everyone. If this video helped you out, please leave a like on it and I'll see you in the next video.